Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your editor and importing the clip. This ensures you edit the right file. Make a duplicate immediately so you can revert if needed. Once done, set the project settings to match frame rate and resolution so audio desync or re-render issues won't occur. You should also isolate the target clip on the timeline. Trim out filler so you only work with the section that needs audio removed. This speeds workflow and reduces mistakes later in the process. Now, detach the audio from the video so you can remove or edit it without harming the picture. This gives precise control over segments. If you prefer a quick, reversible option, mute the audio track instead. This is useful for experimenting. Once detached, select and delete unwanted waveforms or trim specific portions to keep ambient sound where needed. Make sure to scrub playback to confirm silence aligns with your cuts. Small offsets here create noticeable artifacts later. Finish by exporting the project with audio disabled or choose an export preset that removes audio. This guarantees the output file is silent. Once exported, play the file on at least 2 different players to confirm complete silence. If you still hear sound, make sure no nested sequences, overlays, or master bus tracks contain audio. Sometimes sound is routed through a master mix. If problems persist, reopen the project, inspect track routing, and export again to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.